how to withdraw SLP token from Ronin Wallet to Binance Exchange. Now, transferring or withdrawing SLP token from Ronin Wallet to Binance Exchange is quite simple. First of all, open the Binance application, then go to the wallet option from the bottom right of the screen. Now from here, you can go to this option called deposit. Now in the search coins section, since we're trying to withdraw or transfer SLP, we will simply search for SLP as you would be able to find, then just select that. Now choose a network. So since you're trying to send from Ronin, select Ronin, and here you'll find your wallet address. Now this is exactly the wallet address that you need when transferring it from your Ronin wallet. Once you've copied the wallet address or maybe the QR code, go to the Ronin Wallet app and just click on the send crypto or withdraw crypto and just paste this address and the SLP will be sent. Now this is for SLP, but if you're trying to select Bitcoin or send Bitcoin, then you have to copy the Bitcoin wallet address. If you're trying to send Ethereum, you have to copy the Ethereum wallet address. But to give you an idea, this is how you can withdraw SLP token from Ronin Wallet to Binance. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.